Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel, Faith by Design. My name is Imani, and today we are doing my favorite cash stuffing video, the stuffing of my home binder. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then please keep watching. Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we are filming a cash stuffing of my home binder. This is my favorite binder to stuff. If you have been here a while, you know. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I hope you all are doing well. Happy September. I just realized that I have not filmed for the whole month of September and it's almost over. So I hope your September is going well. This is my favorite time of year, the beginning of the fall and the Burr month, September, October, November, December. I love it. This is my favorite time of year. So I'm so excited for cooler weather and all of the fall activities. I cannot wait. My family and I are so excited. Yeah, so anyway, I hope you're enjoying your September as well, the cooler weather and all that it brings. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, so I have $5 bills here and this totals $60, and I use one die to roll so that I can stuff some of my categories in my home binder. We have household as the first category, furniture, repairs, utilities, maintenance, and renovation. So if I land on 1 through 6, these envelopes are numbered and I will put a 5 wherever the dice may tell me where to go. So let's go ahead and have our first roll. I have this pumpkin from last, I think October is when I got it, and it's still going strong. There's really no rot on it, so it's quite impressive. I don't know what they're putting in the pumpkins these days, but it has lasted a whole year almost. So that is quite interesting. 2. Okay, so our first category is furniture. I'm excited about that because we are saving for a dining table set. Slow and steady. So I'm glad that we were able to land on furniture. Next up is 5. And 5 is home maintenance. That will come in handy for sure. 4. 4 is utilities, and I plan on using this to basically start off with saving a month ahead. So we're trying to get one bill saved at a time. And so I think this amount is about $400 that we'll be trying to save. Another 4. We do the balance bill, which is the budget billing, which helps you to save money and have your bill stay the same each month. So we did go over a little bit for the previous cycle, and so now our bill went up about, it's about $20, somewhere around there. So it's not too bad, but I was debating whether I was going to use this to basically throw at it so we can lower the bill, balance bill. Over time, I think we have about 200 something in here, but I decided not to. So we landed on a 3. Okay. And 3 is repairs. And we are trying to get this to 1,000. That's the goal for this year. 6. 6 is bathroom renovation. And we one day look forward to being able to renovate our bathroom, master bathroom. 1. So it looks like all the envelopes have at least rolled on one category. 1 is household. Whoa, okay, let's try that again. 6, okay, so we have bathroom renovation again. 1, okay, so we have household again. All right, let's get a good one. 3. That is a good one, I believe. Yep. 3 is repairs. So that is my favorite envelope to date besides furniture, because I really do want to get a new dining table set. We have this one here, and it served us well, but it's starting to kind of get old and just want something different. Renovation again, number 6. Okay, last but not least. Okay, let's see. Whoa, 6 again. Should I do that over? I think so. Okay, we're gonna do that one over. I need one of those towers so that, yeah, 1. All right, so we have household once again. And I think I will end up using household in case we go over for groceries. I do have the household is usually separate from our grocery bill, but when we do go grocery shopping, we usually include our non-food items with our grocery food items. And so if we ever need to go over, if we ever go over on our groceries, then I could use this category in order to fund anything that we may need for groceries or non-food items. So 40, and we got 15 today. Now we have 20, 40, 45, 50, 55 in household, which is great because everywhere you turn, groceries are not cheap. Next up is furniture. And furniture got 1.5, which, you know, I would have liked more, but that's okay. So now furniture has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 45, 50. So $250. We are halfway to the goal of $500. And I think, are we able to color in the tracker? Yes, we are. Each couch is worth 50. So let's go ahead and color in a tracker. That is exciting. And this is from Dee's Digital World. It's Dee Bankroll. I will leave her YouTube channel below, as well as I think her Etsy shop will be up for September. And she also has a Buy Me a Coffee shop as well. All right, so next up is repairs. Like I said, we're trying to get this to $1,000, and we are almost to the midway point. So today we received $10. We've already colored in this tracker. This tracker was worth, I think, $350. Yes, so we surpassed that. We are now at 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 25, 30, $430. And I usually make change off camera, so that's why you see $100 bills in here, because I just swap it out and keep it moving. All right, so utilities is category number 4. Today it received $10. Okay, so utilities has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So $265. The goal is $400, which is our highest bill that we will get in a 12-month period for the summer. I think it's that. It used to be that. It may have went up because, you know, inflation, but for now we're going to save for $400 for our utility bill. That's the one of the highest bill amounts that we do get. So we have 265. We are almost 75% of the way to it being complete. So yeah, that's exciting. All right, maintenance received 5. I did get rid of my tracker because it got a little confusing, since I would go in this one and then I just decided this one shouldn't have a tracker because I usually go in and out of this one pretty frequently, that and household. So we did end up taking the money out of maintenance recently, I think to pay a bill for pest control. So we are back at building this up. So we have $5 currently. And last but not least is bathroom renovation. Okay, and let's see, we received $15 today, which is exciting. I think that's the highest amount that one category has received today. So let's see, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 150. Yay, we are getting close to being able to color in another bathtub. Each bathtub is worth $100. So slowly saving for the renovation of the bathroom. And that is exciting because I cannot wait for that to be able to get done. But patience is a virtue. So we are complete. So thank you all so much. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Thank you so much to everyone for continuing to support this channel, giving me watch hours, commenting, and all of that. I really appreciate it. I enjoy watching your journeys as well. You motivate me to keep going, and I appreciate you so much. So until the next time, you all, please stay safe, be blessed, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.